Koverman and I teach 4th grade at Hoover. I've been teaching at Hoover for 13 years. I started out in 6th grade, and then I've also taught 1st grade, and now I've been teaching 4th grade for 3 years. I really enjoy teaching reading at Hoover, especially shared for all the teachable moments and great conversations with the students. This year we went to see Frindle at the Metropolis, and the students had a great time making connections to the book that we did for a read aloud and really enjoyed it. I really enjoy spending time with my family, with my husband and my 2 kids, Carson, who's 4, and Kayla, who's 1. We like to go outside, ride bikes, read lots of books together, and we're really excited about the nice summer weather.